गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग समान उमर, क्या बात है? बहुत खुशी खुशी दिख रहा है।
हम रोज खुश रहते सर।
जरा खुशी सीनियरों को बांटना, बेचारे बहुत टेंशन में है।
एग्जाम हो गया सर उन लोग का?
हाँ,
एग्जाम मेंस का?
मेंस का एग्जाम है परसों से, बहुत टेंशन में है बच्चे।
Good morning, sir.
मॉर्निंग। Isaac Hamza, what are your timings there?
Sir,
What are your timings at Bangalore?
sir, it is 9 to 5, including travel.
Okay. That means you are not attending classes there and attending classes here.
Yeah, I negotiated with them, so I'm on a leave right now. So even in Bangalore, I was able to attend for a few weeks.
Okay. Now सुनो all of you this. कल शाम में, कल रात में, that too when 10:30 I got a call. First call on my mobile. आपका senior, नाम नहीं बोलूंगा. Somehow I was not there in that particular room. I missed that call. Then again from the same number I got a WhatsApp call. कौन है ये बार बार कर रहा बोल के कौन फोन उठाया मैं? I picked up the call. It was one of your seniors. सर टेंशन हो रहा, मैं क्या करूं? अब टेंशन हो रहा, मैं क्या करूं बोलता हूं, मैं भी क्या कर सकता हूं? सर मैं फर्स्ट ईयर ठीक से नहीं पढ़ा, इसलिए मेरे को प्रॉब्लम हो रहा. The basic problem with most of them is first year में, since you don't write mains exam, obviously mains exam you will write in first year or second year? बोलो मैम.
Second year.
Second year. Second year.
तो लोग क्या, so generally what some students do is second year में है ना, second year में देख लेंगे, बहुत टाइम है बोल के they just keep on postponing things. postpone. Okay, अभी टाइम आ गया. All the problems which he asks, how many, there are 42 chapters in maths. How many chapters, how many questions you are answering, man? 25 questions. Therefore, in these 25 questions, he has to cover 42 chapters. So what he does, he always interlinks problems. If you are weak in one chapter, you will suffer throughout 2 years. हर चैप्टर को स्टूडेंट पूरी तरह से, in every angle, student has to study all the chapters. A teacher can have a favorite chapter. A teacher can have a less favorite chapter, but student cannot have. Student must have interest in all the chapters, all the topics. If you are lethargic in one chapter, it will come and hit you back on your face somewhere in between at some point. Hopefully, that punch is not in the exam. एक छोटा पार्ट छोड़ दिए, जान दो ये नहीं आता बोल के. You just go through the previous papers. अरे इसमें से नहीं आया कभी भी क्वेश्चन, जान दो ये छोड़ दे तुम बोल कर छोड़ दिए. अब एग्जाम में उठ के उसमें से क्वेश्चन आया तो you just cannot do anything. You cannot make a guess. It's a negative mark. So be very careful, man. You should read from first year. First year से जो बंदा 2 साल मेहनत करता, shall I repeat? इंग्लिश और हिंदी चलेगा?
हिंदी चलेगा सर.
हाँ, जो बंदा 2 साल मेहनत करता है उसे ही सक्सेस मिलता है. 2 साल घस घस के पढ़ना. The more you ghasafai, the more easy it becomes. Nobody is born intelligent, nobody is born genius. Intelligence is directly proportional to hard work. More hard work, more intelligence. Less hard work, less intelligence. एग्जाम सेकंड ईयर में है, मैं सेकंड ईयर देख लूंगा, फर्स्ट ईयर थोड़ा लाइट लूंगा. सॉरी, नहीं चलेगा. I think we should do applications of maximum minimum. Am I correct?
Yes sir.
चलो.
Sir, exam is from JEE Main 24, May 24.
Should know all this, man. Till now or till 2020, JEE
January.
conducted 2 times. One January and another April. ये स्पेलिंग गलत लिखा है. I will not say 2019. Till 2019, this was the case. 2020, last year Corona, January, and it was held in September. सुन रहे हो?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, this year, 2021, since classes were held only online,
Yes.
therefore, February, March, April, and May,
4 times.
4 times. You can attempt any 4, best score will be taken. Generally, June first Sunday advance. June first Sunday advance. Last year it was September last Sunday. This year it will be July first Sunday. Advance. For you also, definitely next year it will definitely be 2 times.
Yes,
Why
sir.
they are against? Because in these 4 exams, which one will be easy to write?
May.
Yes, sir.
May.
May.
It will be easy to write, or May will be easy, but more marks, rank will not matter. I'll give you an example. Or 2020 का example. 190 marks in January. September में 220 marks. Which score is more?
220.
220. But rank 190 was better. Say for example, यहाँ पे 5200 rank आया. तो what student feels? अरे इधर marks अच्छे आए, मेरा rank इससे कम आना. But the rank here was 5400. Why?
Competition increase.
Competition increase, sir.
Competition increased. Students read more beautifully because more time. For this, what you should do? You should complete syllabus first and do more revision. That's the reason why all top batches of Narayana, Chaitanya, Fitchi, Resonance, Bansal, Akash, take any institute. They finish off syllabus second year का अभी 2021 चालू है. Till what time they finish? Narayana तो May 31st they close down. Top batches को syllabus कब खत्म होता? Second year का May 31st. June 1st से they start revision.
Of which year, sir?
May 31st. ये May 31st.
ये वाला, sir.
2021 May 31st को second year syllabus complete कर देते हो लोग. And June 1st से revision start कर. ये जो top ranks देख रहे हो, less than 100, less than 1000 or less than 500, double digit rank, single digit rank, they all belong to this category.
Sir, हमारा कब तक होता है approximately?
I'll not. हमारा कब तक होता है, you know. मैं बोला ना, March 3rd week I'll finish off.
Sir?
बोलो.
Sir, when our senior syllabus completed, second year, sir.
I finished first. I will not tell you who finished last.
No, sir. When, sir? You, only you.
Till this year, I finished late because online classes takes more time.
Yes, sir.
जो टॉपिक ऑफलाइन में जो टॉपिक ऑफलाइन में 2 weeks में कंप्लीट होता, when it comes to online it will take 3 weeks. This is on offline. This is online. Online will take more time. I generally by Dashera I finish off. Dashera falls generally in September. Generally by Dashera I finish off. After Dashera I start revision.
Doing maximum and minimum problems, sir.
क्या बोले?
We are doing maximum and minimum problems, sir. Last.
You are trying to tell me go back to the subject.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Time is going, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Look. That means what if consider a function
Yes, sir.
where f dash of x is equal to डेरिवेटिव निकाल दिए, then those ni's which are even, those ni's which are even, comma, corresponding alpha i's will act as points of inflection. Remaining all odd ni's, odd powers, for all odd ni's, mark alpha i's on the number line to obtain points of L max and L min. Why ni's act as corresponding points of inflection? Because second derivatives will be zeros. Write this. I honestly feel that you are not comfortable with what you wrote. Write this. I'll give you an example that will clear your doubt. Copy this first.
Yes, sir.
what is after all odd NIs? Sir, in the last second line. Okay, sir.
Shall I?
Yes.
Look here.
Yes, sir.
What are all even here? X का power 4, x minus 2 whole square का x minus 2 का power 2. These are two evens. So what are the points of inflection? Are, what are they?
2.
बच्चों लोग, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, mark them on the number line, increasing order. First one is 0, 0. Second one is 0 for minus 1, 0 for 2, 0 for 5, 0 for minus 3. Mark them on the number line. What is the least? बोलो जी.
-1, -3, -3. Sir.
-1, 0, 2. Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
So which are the ones which are not playing a role? Zero will not participate because 0 is a point of inflection. 2 will not participate because 2 is a point of inflection. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Extreme right, positive. याद है?
Yes, sir.
Left negative. Left कहां तक जाता? 0 and -1 participating. ये पूरा negative. Again positive. Again negative. पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव कर्व याद करो. ऐसा है तो पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव, डेरिवेटिव नेगेटिव, डेरिवेटिव पॉजिटिव, पॉइंट ऑफ मिनिमा और मैक्सिमा. नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, पॉइंट ऑफ मिनिमा और मैक्सिमा. मिनिमा. सो व्हाट इज योर x is equal to 5? X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Point of minima. Next. At -1, positive to negative. Point of maxima. Again for -3, negative to positive. Point of minima. बच्चों लोग agreed?
Yes, sir.
I'll tell you one more example. Do not write. Listen here. This will clear your doubt. Earlier, the situations which we came across, they were of the form. बच्चों लोग, f dash of x is equal to ऐसा रहा. No, all powers are odd. Mark them on the number line. Least. बोलो.
-3.
-3.
Next.
-1.
-1. 2.
Next.
4.
Do we have this situation here?
No, sir.
No, because all the powers are odd. Negative to positive. ग्राफ ड्रॉ करके दिखाऊं. Tangent makes obtuse angle negative. Tangent makes acute angle positive. So what is x is equal to 4? Point of minimum. इधर आओ. Derivative positive to negative. Remember is f dash of x. Positive to negative. करो कैसा होगा? Acute angle positive. Obtuse angle negative. So what is x is equal to 2?
Maximum.
Similarly, this one. Hopefully, I am very clear.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Any questions? Even powers. Moral of the story. Even powers want to participate. Here, one more observation. Between two successive maximas, there is a minimum. Between two successive minimas, there will be a maximum. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remark. Between any two successive maximas, there is a minimum, and vice versa. Copy this.
That is x is equal to -1.
Either one.
In that first question,
Bottom down.
in the second one, sir, x is equal to -1 or +1, sir?
Sorry, -1.
Yes.
Thank you, Abrar.
Yes. Later, sir.
Completed, sir.
Good night.
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes,
go?
sir. Yes, sir. You can clear.
Look here. Application of maxima and minima into trigonometry. Already we have done this. We'll just write the formula and leave. F of x is equal to a sin x plus b cos x.
Root over.
Maximum, minimum. What was the maximum value? Follow me.
Plus
A square plus B square.
What is the maximum
Root
value?
over a square plus b.
Over A square plus B square.
minus root over a square minus.
A minima था, a maxima था.
Yes, sir.
No. What do maxima and minima teaching us? Y is equal to f of x is a function. Correct है?
Yes, sir.
F dash of x निकाल के equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Find out x value. Find second derivative. A substitute करो. Greater than 0 आया तो
Minimum.
minimum. Less than 0 आया तो
Maximum.
maximum. Shall we check for this or can I write directly? We shall check and see what is f dash of x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
F dash of x 0 क्या आएगा?
A cos x is equal to b sin x.
A by B is equal to tan x. Am I
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Tan x is A by B. Right angle triangle. X A B. Hypotenuse.
Root of a square plus b square.
What is second derivative? बोलो जी. मैं बोल के माइनस बोला.
Yes.
Minus common. What is sin x from this triangle?
A by root over a square plus b.
Cos x from this triangle.
B by root of a square plus b square.
LCM. Numerator. Cancel off. Minus will go to the numerator. Greater than 0 or less than 0? Less than. So function will have maximum. Sin x क्या है? Again come back. Sin x क्या है? A by root of a square plus b square. Put in the function. Cos x क्या है?
B into B by root of a square plus b square.
LCM.
Root of a square plus b square.
Numerator. Root will go to the numerator. Same answer आया?
Yes, sir.
That's all you. That is max and min of, or we take minimum first. Min and max A sin x
Plus b cos x.
are minus root a square plus b square and plus root a square plus b square. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Next. Min and max of A sin x plus B cos x plus CR. What are they one?
C minus root a square plus b square and c plus root a square minus b.
3. If you remember, remember this? Trigonometry में पढ़ा मैं. What was minimum? What was maximum? Minimum was
5 by 4 versus f of pi.
maximum was always
1.
Then I think I should write f of pi by 4 and 1. Now similarly, look here man. A comma b greater than 0. X belongs to 0 to pi by 2. You look at hello, cosecant 0 goes to infinity. Sorry, cosecant 0, उंगली इधर लगाना. Cosecant 0 goes to infinity. Secant 90 goes to infinity. So can this function have a maximum value? We never say plus infinity is maximum, minus infinity is minimum. For these functions, what we speak about? We speak about only the minimum value. What is the minimum value of this function? Has minimum value of a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 whole power 3 by 2. Proof इसका लंबा चलेगा. What is to do for maximum minimum? First derivative 0. A into secant x derivative 1.
X into tan x.
Cosec x man minus cosecant x cot x. First derivative 0. 1 by cos, sin by cos, 1 by sin, cos by sin. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sin cube x by cos cube x is what?
B by A.
So what is sin x by cos x?
Power 1 by 3.
This is tan x.
Yes, sir.
Now right angle triangle x. What is your opposite side? Bolo man.
A power 1 by 3 adjacent.
B power 1 by 3. Adjacent side.
A power 1 by 3.
Hypotenuse. Root over.
B power 2 by 3.
Substitute in this. Take secant x, substitute. Cosec x, substitute. Simplify. You will get this one. Hopefully I am clear.
Yes.
Sir.
Sometimes this is all applications into trigonometry. For P comma Q belonging to R plus theta belongs to open 0 to pi by 2. F of theta is sin power P theta cos power Q theta. Attains its maximum for theta is equals to tan inverse of root over P by Q with max value being crazy रहता है P power P Q power Q by P plus Q whole power P plus Q whole raised to half. A, B, Y, C. I'm giving the proof. Rough में pay attention. What is f of theta? बच्चे लोग सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Apply logarithms. Log f is equal to p log sin theta
Plus
q
Q log.
log cos theta. I'm waiting. I want your approval. Am I
Yes,
correct?
sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm proceeding. Derivative 1 by f dash log sin theta 1 by
P
sin theta cos theta
Q
log
into
cos
1.
theta maxima minima first derivative 0 बचलो क्या आएगा t times cos theta by sin theta q times sin theta by cos theta दिख रहा है
Yes, sir.
what is sin square theta by cos square theta
P by Q.
p by sin theta by cos theta
P power Q whole power 1 by 2.
sin theta by cos theta is
Tan theta.
Theta.
tan theta p by q whole power half
Sir.
theta
Tan
tan
inverse of
inverse root over p by q I wrote the same फिर एक थीटा लेके फंक्शन में डालो ये आंसर है am I correct
yes, sir.
proofs not required each one of them worth a pot of gold exam में you'll get direct applications obvious I did not give any one of them without proof only thing is I did not make you write the proof
Sir.
proof you can do on your own come on
Completely, sir.
Can I clear this off?
1 minute, sir.
Can I clear 1, 2, 3?
Yes, sir.
There is sixth one. Before doing sixth one, do these 3 examples just in the application. Chalo answer.
First one is 1 comma.
1 comma 3 by 4.
Maximum value.
1
Minimum value. F of
by
pi
4.
by 4. Sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 का square. Cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 का whole power 4.
by 4.
So what's the range? Next.
Five
8
power
1.
5 power 3 power.
B is 8. Formula none.
1 power 2 by 3
1 power 2 by 3 is 1. What is
plus
2 power 2 by 3? 8 power 2 by
4.
3. 8 is 2 cube.
4.
Is it 5 power 3 by 2?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 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 in first question, the cos power 4 is 1 by 8, na, sir.
1 by root 2 whole power 4, man.
Okay, sir.
If 1
Yes,
by
sir.
root
Yes,
2,
sir. Yes,
1
sir.
power 4, 1 by 8.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
अपने स्कूल को जाना, स्कूल को जाके क्या करना,
बहुत दूर है सर स्कूल जा सकते।
स्कूल स्कूल को जाके क्या करना,
मिठाई का डब्बा लेना।
हाँ फूल का हार चढ़ाना, पहले शोएब नहीं भूलना, फूल का हार चढ़ा के मिठाई का डब्बा देना हाथ में, फूल का हार मिठाई का डब्बा। Somebody disturbance from your end, mute your mic. Next one, I'm waiting.
Three root 3 by 16, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is P power P?
1 power 1. Whole power. 256 units.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir. So one doubt, sir. So this fifth point, sir, in that, is there any minimum value for that?
No.
No. Yes, sir. So minimum value goes to minus infinity, sir.
No,
For
it
this.
is sin power P theta, cos power Q theta. No.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Clear, sir.
Can you clear second one?
Yes, sir.
दो साल इंटरमीडिएट 2 years, 6th पॉइंट दिमाग में डाउनलोड हो जाना, मेमोरी में स्टोर हो जाना, दिमाग में डाउनलोड हो जाना, मेमोरी में स्टोर हो जाना. दिस हैज टू बी डाउनलोडेड. 6th one. For theta belonging to open 0 to pi. बच्चे लोग सुनो. Sin theta 1 plus cos theta. Sin theta 1 minus cos theta. Cos theta 1 plus sin theta. Cos theta 1 minus sin theta. All the 4 functions. Max values. This is very, 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 very important. Pay attention. Do not write. I am proving first one. Similarly, proofs for the remaining ones. For x belongs to max of f of x is equal to come on, start doing it. What is f of x? Sin x plus what is it?
Okay.
I can write this as sin x plus half
Sin 2x.
sin into x. Find f dash x.
Yes, sir.
Find f dash x equated to 0. Find out f double dash x. Substitute first derivative ka value. Check for maxima and minima. I am waiting.
God, sir.
What the answer, man?
3 root 3 by 4 God, sir.
What is f dash of x?
Cos x plus cos 2x.
Second derivative.
Cos x plus 2 cos square x minus 1.
Second derivative minus sin x for max or min.
F dash of x equal to 0.
What does it gives you?
So cos x plus cos 2x equal to
Cos
0.
x plus cos square x is equal to 0.
What is cos 2x?
2 cos square x minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Factors
So
one.
minus 1 comma 1 by 2.
Correct है?
Yes,
बच्चे लोग am I correct?
correct, sir.
When is cos x minus 1? When x equal to pi is open interval. नहीं हो
Okay.
सकता.
Not possible.
When is cos x half?
So
60 degrees, pi by 3.
5 by 3.
Pi by 2.
Sir,
By 3,
5
sir.
by 3, sir.
Cos 60 man.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now substitute second derivative. F double dash minus common sin 60
Sir, yes, sir.
root 3 by 2. 2 into 60 120 sin 120 cos 30
Yes, sir.
root 3 by 2 2 root 3 by 2 3 root 3 by 2 with a negative sign. Will the second derivative less than 0 at pi by 3? Will the function have maxima or minima?
Maximum.
Maxima.
What is f of pi by 3? Sin 60
So, root 3 by 2.
cos 60
1 by 2.
that's what the statement I gave.
Yes, sir.
Can I clear the top one?
Yes, sir.
इसके applications. If you want, I'll give the formula. X1, Y1. बच्चे लोग, what was the triangle area formula? Half determinant. किसी को याद है?
X1, X2, X3, Y1, Y2, Y3, 1, 1, 1.
चुप.
Determinant.
Easy method.
Yes, sir.
X1 minus X2. X1 minus X3.
Y1 minus Y3.
Apply this. Give me the answer.
Yes, sir.
Can I? Half determinant. क्या आएगा?
Sir, A cos theta minus A cos theta. 0 minus
B sin theta.
A cos theta minus A cos theta. 0 plus B sin theta.
Don't multiply. Take common. A cos theta minus A cos theta common from where?
From first column. So it is 0.
Zero, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
X coordinate is same, sir. So it will come in same line.
Yes, sir.
X equal to A.
Just same, right?
Sorry, sir.
Let me think. I wrote wrong. Now tell me what does it gives you? Now am I correct?
Yes, sir. Now we can take.
फर्स्ट कॉलम से, सेकंड कॉलम से, from where I am taking common from?
First column 2.
This is 2. This 2 will cancel off. Take A common. AB into sin theta into, am I correct?
Sir,
Just from the root.
root
4
3
functions. Sin theta 1 plus cos theta, sin theta 1 minus cos theta, cos theta 1 plus sin theta, cos theta 1 minus sin theta.
3 root 3 by 4.
Value. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, pay attention. This is seen in second year coordinate geometry. Clearly, these 3 points lie on, what is the lie? Correct है क्या check करूं? Substitute a comma 0 will satisfy.
Yes, sir. It will satisfy.
A square by a square, 0 square by b square, a square by a square is 1, 0
1
square
plus
by b square is 0, 1 plus 0, 1. Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Take a cos theta, b sin theta, substitute. A
Yes.
square cos square theta by a square, cos square theta. Substitute b sin theta, b square sin square theta by b square. b square cancel हो गया. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Which is
1.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, the third one. Where are these points lying?
In an ellipse.
On an ellipse. This is your a comma 0. This is your a cos theta, b sin theta. This is your a cos theta minus b sin theta.
Sir.
What sort of a triangle is this? Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles.
Now, what all you wrote, you convert in language called English. The max area of an isosceles triangle inscribed in the ellipse is, what's the area then?
Sir, root 3 by 4. Yes.
3 root 3 AB by 4.
Yes, sir.
One more application. Shall I?
So one minute.
Can I close off?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We are doing applications of 6.1. Trapezium. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These two sides can never be equal. Parallel sides. Trapezium में
Yes, sir.
A. Agreed.
Agreed,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Draw a perpendicular. Draw a perpendicular. Let this angle be theta. ये adjacent side है. क्या होगा?
A cos theta.
ये ऑपोजिट साइड है, क्या होगा?
A sin theta.
What's the area of trapezium?
Half into height into sum of parts.
This triangle. What's the area of this triangle? Half into
A
a
A
cos
sin
theta into
A sin
a sin theta. But chalo, what sort of a figure is this?
square
Rectangle. This
rectangle.
is a. This is a sin theta. This length will also be a. This length will also be a sin theta. It's a rectangle. Length into breadth. What is the area?
A into
A sin theta.
Plus. बच्चे लोग a triangle area.
same
Again,
area.
same argument. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
This will also be theta.
Yes, sir.
This is a cos theta. This is a sin theta.
Half into
Half into
A cos theta into A sin theta.
दो halves full.
A square
half
A cos
into a sin theta plus a वाला
A
a
square
square sin theta. दोनों में से क्या कॉमन थी?
A
ये कहीं को a square sin theta कॉमन. क्या what remains?
Yes, sir.
Again, the earlier statement. Sin theta into 1 plus cos theta, sin theta 1 minus cos theta 1 plus sin theta, cos
3
theta
root 3
1
by
minus.
4.
3 root 3 by 4. Or maximum value.
Am I correct?
Correct,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
How many points over? 6 points, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 6 points.
7, 8, 9. 3 more are there. First,
Yes, sir.
can you continue?
Yes, sir.
ये आसान है बोलो. बोलो मैं. I'm waiting. आज जहीरुद्दीन अदनान नहीं है क्लास में?
Yes, sir.
Mohammed Fayaz Nawab, no ID.
Sir.
Your name and
Sir. Sir, I am on leave. Says now.
फर्स्ट वन, सेवेंथ वन आंसर मन क्या अप्लाई करेंगे? एएमजीएम, नंबर रेसिप्रोकल,
Yes,
नंबर
sir.
रेसिप्रोकल.
AMGM. Yes.
What will I get? This plus this by 2 greater than or equal to under root of a square sin square x plus b square cosec square x. Sin square x cosec square x will cancel off. Root of a square b square ab cross multiply. What's the answer?
2.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
This will be AMGM. What's the answer?
2 root.
These two must be equal. Tan square x is equals to b by a. X is equal to tan inverse root over b by a or a by b. What am I applying for the last two? Shall I write the reason?
Yes, sir.
This is also
By AMGM.
Sir. Sir, sorry sir, sir लास्ट वाला समझ में नहीं आया सर.
last वाला,
समझ में नहीं आया सर, लास्ट सेकंड.
A वाला, A वाला.
Yes sir, yes sir.
A square sin square x plus b square cosec square x by 2 greater than or equal to under root of a square sin square x b square cosec square x. Will these two cancel off?
Yes, sir.
AB cross multiply 2AB. Same argument next one.
Yes sir, yes.
And last one. This is very, very important. We use this in problems second year, left, right, and center. Shall I prove this?
Yes, sir.
Look here, man. बच्चे लोग, what do you write secant square x?
1 by cos square x. So, 1 plus tan square x.
Cosec square x.
1
1
plus
plus cos square x.
What do you write this?
a square plus b square plus a
A square tan square x.
x.
B square cot square x.
Yes.
बच्चे लोग समझ गए हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं?
Yes, sir. The taking square means
What are
a
the
plus
first three terms?
so a plus b whole square.
Next three terms.
So
A tan x.
So what
Yes,
is
sir.
f of x का minimum? बोलो जी. A plus b whole square, which is attained for what? This becoming 0 means what?
a tan x plus b cot x equal to 0.
Minus.
So
What does it give you?
A tan x equal to b cot x.
Yes, sir.
B by tan x.
Yes, sir. Tan square is equal to b by a. X is equal to tan inverse under root of b by a.
These are 9 points which a student should remember for further investigations. Can I move on?
1 minute.
minute.
One last problem before we say goodbye. कल भी फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री क्लास शाम में है.
We don't know, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Boys left.
क्या हुआ? Abrar, what happened, man?
Many boys left the class, sir.
What's the strength now?
21.
21, sir.
27.
Shall we stop for today? Okay, then we shall continue tomorrow. You can leave.